In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a KML file or draw a polygon using the mobile Earth version of Google Earth. First, open the app and tap on New Project. Then select New KML file. Once the Google Earth interface open, you will see the option like Add Place Mark, which let you mark a specific location, and Measure, which help you to calculate distance or area. To create a boundary, tap on the More and choose Path or Polygon. Then start selecting point around your area by tapping each corner carefully. After selecting all the corners, you can view and adjust the area measurement in acres, square feet or meter, and also change the parameter unit from meter to feet or inches. When you are done, tap Save to Project. Update the title. Add a description if needed. The outline color, fill color, and adjust the opacity to highlight your parcel clearly. You can also customize once everything looks good. Go back, rename your project if necessary. Tap the three dot and select Export as a KML file. To open the share file, you can either save it to Google Earth or share it directly via WhatsApp. Simply open it with Google Earth. If you want to edit the parcel later, tap the three dot, choose edit and modify the corner, color or opacity. And that's how you generate a KML file and export a KML file from Google Earth mobile version.